let's get started. Oh. I have to do it. Hi guys, I've been taking ice bath for 3 months now. It's kind of challenge to myself. I gave my family my word and I've been doing this 3 months.
I am in a good mood. I have to do it. I try keep diary. I try to have an ice bath every day. I try not to give up.
In winter, the ice is natural, no need to buy it. And I want to stay strong, energetic and healthy. To be honest, I am still not used to the cold. Every time feels like the first. It's hard to get used to. She always helps me.
Oh.
Stress leaving my body, calmness, a pleasant feeling in my muscles, and the joy of small victory over myself. My family watches me. They are witnesses to this process, witnesses to both my progress and my weaknesses. I am not expecting instant miracles. Gotcha!